Nathanial out here in the city of Makati in the Philippines. And right now I'm going to be doing a First Amendment audit of the Philippine National Police Commission for the National Capital Region. The National Capital Region is the Metro Manila area. And we're going to make sure that our friends at the National Police Commission respect and honor my constitutional right under Philippine law to record in public. So let's go knock them out. Flying high and proud in the sky is the Philippine flag. So we're walking up on the building. It's an older structure. Looks like we got a sally port there. This is it. It's the building. Got some motorcycles there. Like I mentioned in my Quezon City Hall audit, motorcycles are kind of a common method of transportation here in, or at least in the greater Metro Manila area. Got a sign right there. Some information about the place. All right. So yeah, I like these older buildings. They're kind of cool. I like the old light fixtures. Hi. Oh, this is it. Yeah, got the sign right there, and it's a pretty. Don't see a lot of vehicles in the garage, which is good. But yeah, got a security guard there. He's checking me out. Maybe somebody's coming out to talk to me. Or maybe he's just going to his car, I don't know. Hi! How are you, sir?
Just fine, my friend.
All right, cool. So yeah, I like these old light fixtures. Kind of cool. But they definitely know I'm here. They're not saying anything, so I don't know. This might be an early pass. The building is located on Jupiter Street. As you can tell, it's pretty active. It's a Wednesday afternoon. It's not quite as hot as it was before, but I'll hang around for a little bit. Oh wow, they got firearms here. What do you know? Guns at a police station. I hope nobody gets shot this year. Hi, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this the police commission?
Yes,
Is this like a police station, or is it?
No, this is National Police Commission as a
Like a union?
processing of all documents of police.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Are you with the Makati Police District?
No, I'm Manila Police District.
Manila Police District. I've been to that station before.
Yes.
Wait, I took a tour
What station?
on United Nations.
UN. Oh.
Yeah.
National, headquarters of Manila Police District.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
It was very nice. They gave me a tour. I got to see it. All right. Have a good day.
Yes, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sure.
So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this audit up. This is obviously another pass. That police officer that I spoke to, he obviously didn't have a problem with me filming. Security saw me. They didn't have a problem. And I also learned that this is where they store old police records. I guess archived police reports or whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is a pass. So stay tuned for more content. I actually got to go head back to Quezon City and get cleaned up because I got to go meet my guy tonight. So anyways, Nathanial saying happy trails and thank you for your support. Like, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff.